In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photo in Outlook email. This process is simple and will enhance your email communication significantly. Photos can make your messages more engaging and help convey your ideas more clearly. Let's dive right into it. First, we need to open Outlook. On your desktop or device, locate the Outlook icon. This is usually represented by a blue envelope symbol. Click on it to launch the application. Once it opens, you'll see your inbox and various folders on the left side of the screen. This is your main interface to manage emails. By opening Outlook, you gain access to all your emails, calendar, and contacts, making it easier to stay organized and connected. Next, click on New Mail. This button is typically found at the top left of the Outlook window. When you click it, a new email window will pop up for you to compose your message. You will notice fields for the recipient's email address, subject line, and the body of the email. This is where you'll craft your message to accompany the photo. Starting a new mail is essential because it sets the stage for the content you want to share. Now, place your cursor where you want the photo to appear in the body of your email. This is important because it dictates the exact position of the image within your message. Click within the email body area, and you will see a blinking cursor indicating where your photo will be inserted. Ensuring the photo is placed correctly helps maintain a clean and professional appearance in your email. Next, click on Insert, then select Pictures from the drop-down menu. This action opens the File Explorer on your computer, allowing you to browse through your image files. You will see various folders and files displayed, making it easy to find the photo you want to include. Selecting the right image is crucial as it impacts how your message is perceived. Once you find the photo you want to add, click on it to select it, then click Open. The photo will be inserted directly into the email body at the cursor's position. You should see the image appear right where you placed your cursor. This visual enhancement can make your email more appealing and informative. Seeing the photo inserted confirms that you are on the right track. If you'd prefer to send the photo as an attachment instead, click on Attach File instead of Insert Pictures. This option allows you to choose the photo from your computer similar to the previous step. Selecting to attach a file is beneficial if your image is large or if you want to keep your email body clean. Now let's switch gears to classic Outlook for Windows. First, open Outlook as you did before. Click on New Email to open a new message window. This interface will look familiar as it mirrors the steps we've already covered. Opening a new email in classic Outlook continues the same process, ensuring consistency in your workflow. Place your cursor in the email body where you want the photo. This is the same as before. The placement is key to how your email will look. After positioning your cursor, click on Insert, then select Pictures again. This action will launch the File Explorer for you to find the desired photo. Remember, proper placement of your photo can enhance the overall readability of your email. Select the photo you want to add and click Insert. The image will now appear in your email body. This is an important step because it ensures the image is part of your message, making it more engaging for the recipient. To attach the photo instead of inserting it, click on Attach File and select the image. This method allows the recipient to download the photo separately. It's a great option when dealing with larger files. Note that inserted photos appear directly in the email body, while attached photos show up at the top of the message. If your image is too large, Outlook may prompt you to upload it to OneDrive and share a link instead. This feature ensures you can always share images, even if they exceed the size limits. By following these steps, you can easily add photos to your Outlook emails, enhancing communication. Thank you for watching.